On this part here, we continue to go through the attacking. Attacking, drop and changing side to side to get used to learning how to find where the hand is. When you find where the hand is, then you can locate all this movement in and deal with the situation when they're right. If you got your partner there, bring them in and let's play the body jump. When you're working with this line here, you learn freely to have the hand, boom. This hand coming in, you already come and drop, boom. And this is why a lot of times this hand come up. That's the idea of it, boom, or boom. And soon this hand come up, you need to make sure this is, boom, cause that to change. As you remember, when we're doing all this lap style, yeah, we're changing from side to side. We're changing from side to side. Now, when you're training to understand it, boom, boom, you do the same thing, changing side to get used to the line. Same thing we do this hand here, boom, yeah, boom, like that, on the head there. Back to here. So when you're working, you need to make sure this hand in line. So, boom, that hand come up, then you change, boom, to the throat here. Same principle, I attacking, I drop, and this hand come up, boom, I change it quickly, okay? So the line of the I want to attack in is a one, boom. And if you don't put the hand up, that's boom, that's throat gone. So the hand, boom, come up, then you boom, you change it to this side, so that head come gone. Same thing we do this side, one, boom, then change, boom, like that. You need to make sure all this movement that you can locate the hand is. Spend some time, a lot of time, that's on the second module. Play with energy drill to know exactly where the hand is. So when you're freely, it's very difficult because when I punch, I should locate right away. I won't be able, because he punch and he pull the hand back maybe, like that. I punch and he block and to go like that. So what you do is you boom, boom, here, so shoot, boom, like that. So a lot of time you need to training to not to feel and understand about the energy where they are. If you don't, you will find very difficult to make this movement work for you. When you understand all that, moving around a little bit so you can make the movement functional. So you're moving around the line, so do boom, boom, ah. So the line is in, boom, 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 cross the throat there, boom, boom, ah, cross like that. Then you're attacking, boom, boom, ah, boom. Soon you find the hand, you drop it off. You find the hand, cross, boom. Then you need line, boom, boom, ah. And that, thank you, that's the idea. You find it, you locate it, and you drop the head off. So when you're working, you need to make sure all this movement is functional, so you can make it happen for you when you start doing it. Otherwise, when you're there, you find the hand, but you don't know what to do. Spend some time practice. I will see you until next lesson.